Welcome to this video. Honestly, this is a pretty special video because I'm going to open up quite a bit and tell you the real truth about what it's actually like right now to start your own artificial intelligence agency, where things stand at the moment, and above all, what I think is most valuable. I've invested more than $10,000 in training myself in artificial intelligence, whether it's agency work, freelancing, programs to learn automation, and so on. So I'm going to give you an overview of everything, what mistakes I've made, the tricks, and above all, what the reality is, like I said, of creating your own business with artificial intelligence without selling empty promises. So without further delay, let's get right into it. Let's move on to what nobody tells you. And honestly, this is something I don't like because everyone thinks that just by using chatbot agents, you can make thousands and thousands of euros. But the truth is, that's simply not the case. Robots are great for getting started. It's something pretty easy and simple to implement in companies, businesses, or whatever. But where the real value of all this artificial intelligence lies is in solving real world challenges. In other words, if you're really going to help a company, and I want you to keep this concept in mind because it's completely normal. I also started out in this business model for the money. It's obvious. You can honestly put something together pretty quickly. Even you yourself could do it. By doing the automation and all that, the profit margin is higher. Or by truly learning what artificial intelligence is in depth, really pay attention, solving real problems, which is the most important thing, and delegating it as you would in an agency. Obviously, I think everything happens step by step. Everyone starts with freelancing and then scales up from there. So, really, creating value is what will truly make you succeed with artificial intelligence. The return of ROI, that is the return on investment for a business. Because if a business is going to pay you $15,000, $10,000, whatever it is, $8,000, it doesn't matter, $5,000, what you are giving back to them is time and money, and above all, a competitive advantage over other businesses. That's the most important thing. In other words, the greater all of that is, whether it's the more time you save them, more efficiency, more money, the higher the cost of automation will be, and you need to know how to value yourself accordingly. Everything right now in the market, since there is no competition at all, you might ask, why is there no competition? Because if this is so attractive and so good, everyone would be doing it. It's obvious. But that's where the real problem lies with all of this, because obviously this is huge. The markets, well, it's a blue ocean. In other words, it's untapped. But there are so many markets, so many niches, so many businesses where artificial intelligence can be implemented that this isn't going to end anytime soon. Who knows when? And on top of that, the best part is that we all have imposter syndrome. Since when I started, I also thought it was pretty late, but obviously I was going to get into it anyway because I knew it wasn't really that late, right? I mean, obviously all of this is just getting started, but even now I think maybe it's just a little bit more. Like if before it was 2% of people who were really into this artificial intelligence thing, now maybe it's 3%. And maybe, honestly, I mean this completely seriously, since we all have imposter syndrome and think that everything is saturated or that it doesn't make sense anymore because we're too late. And it's actually the complete opposite. This is the best moment. I mean, right now I'm at a point where I need to hire Spanish speaking developers since I'm starting to get Spanish speaking clients. And my problem is that I can't find professional Spanish speaking people who can really take on these projects and handle them without any issues. And I have to resort to English developers since, well, my whole market is here. I know you've probably heard this thousands of times, but right now, implementing artificial intelligence in businesses is going to be the most valuable skill of the next decade. And really, just think about it right now. You know that AI is the future. We're literally seeing it more and more everywhere. So, in the end, every company, whether they like it or not, is going to have to implement AI. So, right now, we're at a point where why not learn it the easy way? Take advantage of the fact that right now there are plenty of resources since it's booming, but there are also a lot of groups and there are going to be problems. But think about it. Everyone knows that artificial intelligence is the future. It's essential. We all know it. And we're seeing it more and more everywhere, whether it's on social media, in apps. And obviously, companies are also going to have to implement AI. And obviously, companies are already implementing artificial intelligence, and there will be more and more of it. And this is obvious since companies know it too. It's the best option. It's just that right now we're at a point where they don't fully understand it. In other words, they don't have enough information to be able to apply it. And since this is something so new and booming, it's the best time to get into this business model, learn, and be able to sell these solutions at the best prices that will probably ever exist in the market. Because right now, you can truly solve a very big and significant problem and set the price that you genuinely believe is the right and fair price for that solution, since you also have some foundational knowledge and understanding and can get a good sense of its value. That's why automations can be sold for such high prices, since there's no competition. But don't get me wrong, it's not that you won't be able to do this in the future, but there will also be more competition. And if you don't have a track record, whether it's testimonials, personal branding, or something else, That is, by the time all of this becomes so well known that companies buy it without a second thought, they'll turn to people they know are more trustworthy rather than those who are just starting out. This is obvious. So that's exactly why it's so important right now to also gather testimonials, to take a more long-term approach. It can really make a lot of money in the short term, but above all, this is about the future. Since none of this has really started yet, none of this boom is growing. The trajectory curve of the AI revolution is rising more and more, and then it will move on to the late adopters. Obviously, there are still years to go before that happens. And now we move on to something that I think is really going to surprise you, is my favorite part of the video, because it's something people don't know, and that's completely normal. Because from the outside, artificial intelligence seems very complex. It can seem like very technical knowledge that you have to dive into, as if it were a programming language, like JSON, which I'm sure you've heard of. And the truth is, technical knowledge is completely useless. And this is very simple because you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to program. You don't need to know what JSON is. The only thing you need is to understand how artificial intelligence works, how it really helps a business become more efficient, save time, money, and gain a competitive advantage. If you can make the business owner understand this, I assure you that if they truly see the ROI, it's impossible for them not to pay you amounts that reflect your value. In other words, what you truly deserve to be paid. Sometimes we start out pretty cheap, and that's quite normal. For your first and second client, I even recommend doing it as cheaply as possible to gain experience. But after that, once you really have that template, you've implemented it, and you have all the experience, I assure you that selling to the second client will be the easiest thing you do, because now you have a testimonial, you know it really works, and selling to the third, fourth, and fifth clients, well, that's even easier. So I really need you to forget about technical knowledge and complexity. Just focus on understanding how you can help a business succeed with artificial intelligence, and you will succeed with that company as well. So having said that, and knowing that the only thing that really matters is understanding the market and knowing how we can help with artificial intelligence, since AI is only useful if you understand real problems, everything else will follow naturally, I assure you. The beginning is the hardest part, just like with any other venture. I don't want to make it sound like this is really easy, but I assure you that if you give it a try, if you dive in for a month, fully committed to artificial intelligence and dedicate yourself to learning, even if it's just 2 hours a day, you'll have an advantage that's truly out of the ordinary. No one is taking advantage of the moment and everyone thinks it's already too late. And I get it because I've been there too. But still, the thing is, you have to see it for yourself. I assure you it will be well worth it if you really commit yourself. So that's it. I just want to wish you the best of luck and I'll see you in the next video.